We're going to add an outlet to an existing circuit. Here's a live outlet that we're going to start with. We'll run a piece of conduit from this box down to the floor. We want the conduit to go straight down. We'll draw a straight reference line, drill a hole into the floor. The conduit will be able to go down the hole. We'll push the conduit down through. We'll go downstairs and we can see the conduit punch through the foam. We'll need to drill through the concrete block. We'll use a 3/4 inch masonry bit. We'll drill through the block wall. We're through the block wall and a 2x4. The hole is 4 foot from the wall. We'll drill through the drywall at 4 foot. Once everything lines up, I'll jam a tube through the hole, then pull it through the ceiling. We'll trim our piece of conduit with a hacksaw. We'll pull out some wire and start feeding it down the conduit. We'll straighten up the wire and put it through. Run the wire through the hole, followed by the conduit. From underneath, we'll tape on the wire to the fish tube. We'll tape the tube onto the wire. We'll feed everything back through the wall. We'll pull the tube through with the wire, disconnect the tube from the wire. We'll turn off the breaker to the outlet. We'll test to make sure the breaker's dead. Remove the cover plate, cut off the wiring, pull the outlet out, unwrap the outlet, pop out the tab at the bottom of the box, move it back and forth until it snaps off. Move the 1/2 inch hole tab, add a connector to the conduit, run the wire through the hole, slide this threaded end in, put this 1/2 inch nut on. We'll tighten the nut up. You can keep pushing it around with a screwdriver and tighten it up. Now everything's nice and snug. We'll strip back the insulation. We'll apply the white wire to the silver lug, bend a loop in the wire, tighten everything around the lug, tighten up the lug. We'll put the black on the gold lug, tighten up the lugs. We'll remove the copper wire so we can fuse the other one. We'll spin them together, copper crimp on it, place the copper crimp on, crimp it into place, place the wire from the box to the ground, tighten everything up, place the electric tape around, push everything back in the box, screw the outlet into the box. We'll add the cover plate back on. Now that this is secured, we'll get the other box. We'll terminate the other end of the wire into a junction box until we can build the wall. Now the end of the wire is terminated in this box. Put the breaker back on and check the circuit. The light flips on, so everything's good.